Okay, so firstly I'm gonna start off with the Mac Studio. Comes in this lovely box here with this cloth like canvas like, I'm not quite sure what it's made of, but this nice handle, designed by Apple California, as everybody knows. All right, so first step is to unseal the box. Here we go. Something tells me that I should turn it this way, then flip it open. I do not want to do this wrong. There we go. So now that we've loosened it, we are gonna flip it open. Yep, and as I thought, it should be this way. Get this out of the way, then flip it open. Amazing. Woo! So in the top part here, see, you have your usual booklet, and then we're gonna slide these, and I guess then lift it out. Now that I've carefully lifted it out, I can show you what inside looks like. So you have your cable, and that's pretty much it. It's on a nice riser. The box is nice and thick, so you can tell that it's pretty secure during shipping. I myself, when I ordered this, I had to wait a while for it to be shipped, so keep that in mind when you're deciding to go with this. Stock is limited, especially if you're going to configure it. So yeah, so there we go with that. Studio forward, and let's get this off. So it's like a nice, kind of like a tissue paper, but a little bit thicker with some adhesive on it. And there we go. Use requires acceptance of the software license terms presented electronically during setup. So on the front, I did get the Ultra, so it includes the SD card slot, as well as, from what I understand, I believe these are Thunderbolts. And then on the back we have HDMI, we have the power button, we have headphones, 2 USB, and then 4 USB-C / Thunderbolt cables, and then also this I guess what would be a LAN cable. So that's it for the Mac Studio Ultra. Next up, I will unbox the Studio Display.